Alright, so we can finally go to the river because Jilly is waiting on me like hell. Yeah, it's one of those things, being a YouTuber. We're a little bit slower than the others, to be honest, because we have to take our time, make sure we bag them properly set up and everything. And yeah, just a while ago, Copy was like, "We are going so much bag." Yeah, bag and pan. If you're a Jamaican, you know what that means. Drop it in the comment. Tell me what you know when someone says if you're a bag and pan. But anyway, yeah, heading to the river. Oh, that's Ratty's pool.
Yes, yes, we're excited.
We are going to Rat's pool. Wow. And I just love the fact that it's like over some shade because we are sunburnt and thing. But before I go in, I want to see what Ratty doing over here. So Ratty is fishing and he's made a nice artisanal type of fishing rod with bamboo. I've used that before when I went on that survival trip thing. Oh gosh, the water is so cool. Ratty, you ever catch fish with that yet? You ever catch fish with that yet? Fish, fish.
Yeah, we catch fish right now. What is the one?
Okay. Yo, you careful, you know? No? Oh, if I have insurance. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh, for your guests? Oh. I'm so sorry. But that's something to look into though, seriously. Yeah, it's cool. Ratting on a time, you know, slow movement.
Yeah, I know, right? Very slippery.
You be careful, yo. Get awkward. Don't try to walk like you're dainty and all that beautiful stuff. Get awkward so you don't fall. Yeah, that's the kind of awkward I'm talking about. Yep. That was brilliant. Brilliant stuff, yo. Yeah, I don't want to walk over there because I don't want to drop and then my camera gets wet. It's cold. Feel good?
Actually see the sunburn.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to the pool. Ratty, tell me if you catch a fish. Vibes. Yep, that's the awkward.
Balance.
Balance. Your skin feels cool and nice?
Yes, because of the sunburn.
Trust me, I don't think... Come on, let's go. Let's get right into the water because I don't trust this sunburn thing. Trust me guys, not because we have that melanin skin and we're like, yeah, we don't get sunburn. We do. We do get sunburn. So make sure whenever you take your trips or whatever, you get yourself some suntan lotion, have your aloe and all that good stuff. But yeah, we are here at Rat's pool and this is probably one of the best pools I've ever freaking seen in my life. Like, this is an amazing pool. I love this pool. Wow. Wow. Tell me how the pool feel, mama. Is it good?
It feels so good.
That is a cool pool.
Oh, I feel like having a...
Yeah. vibe. Yeah. And Soai enters the ring.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at you, feel it so deep, gonna catch you overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe.
No!
Hey, I'm coming to you. You make me wanna go down. Unless we try. Oh, and you smile at me like that. I swear there's nothing that could stop me, baby. Oh, I would fight for just your time. Oh, it's just something about the way
Feeling good. Like your shirt.
Yeah, beard off. And I beard frying yesterday. Alright, so I'm gonna grab something too to go hold a show. How are you bring through a beard? This? Oh, sea salt and Pacific kelp. Wow, this sounds like some vegan stuff, bro. Like, is there any fat in it, bro? Whoa, dude. Oh, the
Skin is like stripping.
yeah, that's strip.
Yeah.
That's what you call strippage. Anyway. So Ratty, what you do? You try to make more water come in?
Yeah,
More water? Oh. No, yeah, make the pool deeper. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can help a little bit. Yeah, I see a stone down there, so. it's not as big as the stones he's moving, but I'm gonna put it right here. Oh boy. You need some help with that? You good? Took a shower? Yeah, we're not gonna lie. This is actually a vibe. It's really nice. Yep. Alright, so I guess we're gonna go on the road so we can get some beers. That'll be a vibe. Alright guys, so we just put on everything we need to put on, don't know color and lotion and all them little thing there cause we're all fresh down. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go to the shop really quick because Kopi's birthday was not too long ago and I know that he likes drinking Campari, so we'll get some Campari for Kopi and try to get some food on the road. I don't even know what we're gonna do. But there's a shop somewhere close around there, so we'll go get some for sure. Maybe get a couple beers or whatever. Yeah, take you guys with me.
I don't know if you see one video. You see it too. When the white man run come jump up on me.
No, that's not what
Come on, man. when me and Matthew got a secret, man. When a man pick up beer, man.
No, I'm gonna get to watch that one.
Eh?
No, sir.
White man run out that pool and drink. Hey, Mokko. Jump up on me. Come like the woman want to rape me off, you know. Me say, man, the woman jump up here, so man. Jump up nice, so bad suit to Ras Mokko.
Okay, we are go shop. You need nothing from the shop?
Eh?
You need nothing from the shop? You want dragon?
No,
Dragon. Alright, come on. Alright, look a bit, Mokko.
Yeah, man, look at it.
So this morning we were walking up here and Julie was like, yo, my boss. Channel.
I'm trying to keep up with you right now.
So just like the good old times, we have Ratty. Yeah, back again. Our vibes.
And I'm being chauffeur driven because I was told I don't drive that well. So let me take over the driving.
Yeah, so we're there at the neighborhood shop. So it has some of this dumpling and some fried chicken. Yeah, the pan is it. So, dumpling, fried chicken, gravy. Sorry, ketchup and pepper. Vibes. That's neither myself. Alright guys, so we just got back on the yard and things, so it's gonna eat and just call the end of the day. I'll catch you guys on the next video where Mokko is gonna cook something. I don't know exactly what he's cooking, but I'm gonna see things. Love, nature, and adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.